5 1 pieces to represent 5, so 125. So we can use this method to build for bigger numbers, and then use the same process for addition. So why don't you go ahead and practice building the number 313. So I'll build that with you. Pause this video if you need some more time. All right, were you able to build your 313? All right, let's see how I built it. So as you can see here, I have my hundreds, my tens, and then my ones place. I put 3 of my 100s bricks, 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, they are different sizes here. 300, I have 1 for my tens place, so that's 310 right now. And then I took 3 of my ones place, 1, 2, 3. So now that number represents 313. If I wanted to use this for an addition problem, I could use the same idea. So let's go ahead, keep your 113, but just go ahead and add those dividers that represent our addition sentence. So as you can see here, I divided my base plate up into 3. Again, same idea, these will be our 2 add-ins and this will be our sum. And I'm just gonna go ahead and place that 313 at the very front of my addition sentence. So 313. So I added that 313 right at the beginning. Now my problem is I'm going to do 313 plus, let's do 125. So I'm going to build my 100, 20, and 5. Make sure you're building along with me, and you can come and check your answer when I'm done building mine. All right, so I built my 125. If you're not ready, pause it, and we can go over our answer together when you're ready. So as you can see here, I have my 313 in this very first add-in spot. Then I built my 125. Here is my 100th brick, my 2 10s brick, as you can see, 1, 2, and then 5 1s bricks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 125. To find the answer, I'm going to use the same process as that I did earlier. I'm going to take everything that I put in my first spot, everything I did in my second spot, and just add it all together in my sum. So I'll show you how I'm going to do that. So in my first spot here, I have 3 100s bricks. I'm going to take those 3 100s bricks and put them in our end. Let me build that for you. One, 2, 3. Then I have 1 10s brick, so I'm going to add that to my end here. And then I have 3 1s bricks, so I'm going to add those 3 to my end spot. One, 2, 3. So now I should also have 313 down on my end sum area. Now I have to take everything from my second add-in and add it to my sum area. So I'm going to start and I see 1 100th brick. So I'm going to add 1 100th brick there. And what I'm going to do is actually just place it right on top of everything I've already built in my sum. So I'm going to add it to my 100ths column. Then I see I have 2 10s bricks. I'm going to take those 2 10s bricks and just add them on top of our 10s bricks already in our sum. So 1, 2. All right, then I'm going to look at my ones place and I see 5 1s bricks. I'm going to add those 5 1s bricks to this ones area in my sum. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, now that my number is built, I can see how much is in our sum area for our answer. So I'm going to do the same thing with counting. I see that I have my 100s tower here. So this is going to represent 400. I see 4 Lego bricks. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 400. Now let's count our 10s bricks. We have 1, 2, 3. So we have 430 right now. Lastly, we count our 1 spot. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1s bricks. So we can now say that our answer is 438. So our whole problem that we laid out here, as you can see, we have our 2 add-ins. Here's our sum. Our whole problem was 313 plus 125 equals 438. So while that's a little bit harder than our earlier addition problems, that can really help you as 3rd or 4th graders when you're adding larger numbers. All right, so I'm going to end today's little lesson with a little challenge. So what you'll need for this challenge is to pick any 6 Lego bricks that you have. They can be small, large, but I do recommend that they be just a long and skinny brick, not something like this. So see if you can find just the long bricks here and have any 6 of them. So I'm going to gather some together. Let's see, I have some from over here. All right, so I have 6 Lego bricks. I'll show you which ones I'm going to use. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this challenge, you can only have 6 Lego bricks, and one rule to this challenge. They all have to connect in some way. So what you're going to do is build some sort of creation. They all have to be connecting, and then we're going to add those up. So I'll show you what I'm going to build. They all have to be connected in some way. So I think I'm going to make, let's see, can be anything you would like. Can make it crazy looking, can make a little tower. I decided to just make mine a little bit crazy looking. So as you can see, they're all connecting, none of them are falling off. And here's what I built. So see what you can build. Once you have your creation, we're going to count and see from the top looking down. I'm going to count how many studs I see on my Lego brick. So I'll show you how I'm going to count. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Let me come down to the gray. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So I have 41 studs showing on my little creation. Oops, mine just broke. Well, that might happen. So I have 41 studs showing here. How many does your creation show? Go ahead and count them up and compare it with mine. Is it bigger? Is it smaller? The goal is to have as many studs showing as possible, making sure that your Lego creation can still connect. After you compare it with mine, go ahead and try to challenge your family members to build their own Lego creation to see who has the most studs showing. Whoever has the most is the winner. So go ahead and challenge your parents, your siblings to see who can make the best Lego creation to have the most studs showing. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's little math lesson using Legos, and I hope that you found this to help you a lot. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about how Legos can be used to help with math, you can actually go ahead to YouTube and search Brick Math Series on YouTube and to find more lessons helping you with Lego math. All right, have a great day, everyone. Bye.